What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna have a maintenance detail on this Audi. We also do their Infiniti SUV. So go ahead and stay tuned and we'll show you how we do that. Pulled out the fine brushes for this Audi. All right, everything's been blown out by the tornador. We're gonna go ahead and vacuum now. This video is gonna go a little faster than usual, just because we're on a time schedule today. Always remember, just because it's a maintenance detail doesn't mean the customer hasn't went on a long trip since last month and they can get like this. Always remember that. Always make sure you put your flashlight underneath the seat to make sure that you got it all vacuumed under there. All right, if you've seen on my last video, you'll see my vacuuming method. I always like to do all the edges and all the corners first. And then I go ahead and do the main floor here. All the edges, I go ahead and use this one. And then for the main floor, I'll go ahead and switch it to the one on the right. But that's just my method. Use what best works for you. All right, so this client keeps his Infiniti super clean. Look at that. Seats, super clean. Look at this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It almost looks like we detailed it already. Oh, look at that. I knew it was too good to be true. All right, the Infiniti's done. It came out really good. Beautiful car. Yeah, so it's looking really good. This is the other side. Driver's side. Yeah, everything's the way it's supposed to be. The Audi is done, the customer's taking it away. This is the Infiniti SUV that we're doing next. We got a little bit of cloud cover, so we're trying to beat this heat and get it done really quick. We're done washing the Infiniti. We're just hitting it with the DI water now. Came out really good. Yeah, this Infiniti is ceramic coated, so I didn't get too detailed with the video. It's pretty straightforward to wash. Nothing really sticks to it. It's all maintenance. Yeah, some nice wheels. He has some good taste. Look at that wheelbarrow, all clean. Now the car is perfectly clean, is ready to go back into the garage. All right, so we're done with the Infiniti and the Audi. They both came out really good. We went ahead and did their monthly maintenance details on them. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one.